10 ways to make money online. So you want to learn how to make money online? In today's digital society, making money online has never been so easier. If you've got an internet connection and some devices to work on, you're halfway to being in business online. Here's the 10 most effective ways you can earn online. I hope this list will give you an idea of which to pursue and later on help you in generating additional monthly cash flow. Number 1. Buy and sell websites. You may have heard of buying and selling things before, but have you heard of buying and selling websites? Flipping websites is something that you can do if you have a website or have had one before, so you know what to look out for and what you can improve on. There are sites that you can buy and sell websites on, such as Flippa, or hang out in Facebook groups in the niche that you're interested in to see if anyone is selling. Number 2. Sell digital products. Write an ebook, create stock photos and videos, offer document templates or sell white label content. A friend recently made good money by selling a list of inspirational quotes, which social media managers and digital marketers often need. Number 3. Freelancing. Perhaps you enjoy writing, managing social media accounts or doing a little bit of graphic design in your spare time. There are so many freelance jobs out there that require simple skills or just time that someone else might not have. And the best thing about freelancing is that you can work for clients in the US and around the world with just an internet connection from home, to your own hours whilst developing valuable skills. A great place to start is with the leading freelance site Upwork.com. Number 4. Do online work. There are online jobs that don't require expert skills. You can work as a data encoder, survey respondent, software tester, email reader and file sorter, among others. Number 5. Be a content creator. Write a blog. Start a YouTube channel. Create a podcast. Do live streaming. Grow your social media following. Later on, you can earn from sponsorships and advertisements or sell your own products through your content. Number 6. Start a website. Build a virtual forum. Launch an online magazine. Create an online store. It requires some technical skills, but you can always hire someone to do it for you. Number 7. Create an app. Launch a mobile application. Develop web-based software. Offer an automated online service. Again, this would require technical skills, which you can always outsource. What's more important is that unique idea that you have. Number 8. Teach and help others. Offer mentoring or coaching services. Launch an online course. Start a virtual consultancy business. Be a resource expert and offer your services as a speaker or trainer in corporate online events. Number 9. Earn from the financial markets. Be a stock trader. Try your skills at forex trading. Go into commodities, precious metals and/or cryptocurrencies. Explore global markets. The learning curve is reasonably shallow for becoming an equitable trader. Number 10. Be an affiliate. Study affiliate marketing. Or simply, promote products or services that give cash incentives for referrals. A lot of apps and software offer this. Or, just help a friend sell their products in exchange for a small commission. There are more ways to make money online. I gave you 10 general methods to earn from the internet today. You can choose one and do a deep dive into more specific ways. And the good news is there are countless resources online that will help you learn them in greater detail. That brings us to the end of this video. See you soon with a new video.